God, Adri, my love, you need to watch where you're going.
Pull it, Daddy.
Oh,
what happened?
Look at all the space stuff.
Moral bitterness is not my time, but still it gotta work on you. You got me paper thin, doing concrete face, stopping romance in the madness. You got me good, baby, keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
Lightning had supercharged and turbocharged engines.
You're addicted to drama. It keeps you sleeping at night. Keep losing your shit on my problems. You know that something ain't right. Blaming me for causing your insanity. I'm pretty sure you're born.
Whoa, that's cool, right? That's very big elephant. That.
Big ass plane, pressurized.
It says how many. Look. Making airplanes. This is where we store the airplanes. They're fixing airplanes. They're storing airplanes. This is where we store the airplanes. It's a rocket engine. Look down.
There you go. Fly, fly, fly.
You got your wood and metal profiling coating to fix the airplanes so they can be so shiny. And over there is your metal builder. Daddy, were you like a shop like this? Look at all those satellites. That's how they float in space. That's the shuttle where Mommy and Daddy took off. You see take off to space. What is it?
You got me good, baby. Keep on coming back to you. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up. You already messed it up. I know that you know it, 'cause you already messed it up.
This is the Lucas capsule. Create with that. This is number 2. No, look, it's
How
a
about
space.
a spacesuit? That sound right? Yeah, it's a spacesuit. Glasses that you have that change color. Brighter the sun, the more, the darker they get.
Wow.
Thank you.
What?
If we take go to space, and then when we eat cereal, it all floats up.
Yeah? You want to go to space, Banjo Traveler?
Space shuttle is gallery. These are the basic concrete metal. Hey look, I had a Mickey. That's a computer. It used to be big, but now it's this small. Like a phone. I didn't believe it at first. Yeah. Yeah. While you're here, Don't forget to look up.
Dulles Airport, and if you hear a voice up there, it's going to be someone actually in the airport tower of Dulles talking to pilots.
See a snowflake down there?
That's Dulles Airport. Look, you can see the plane wing taking off. See? Because now it's old. This is the point of Top Gun. You're clear to go. That was cute right there.
The baby plane?
Yeah. That's the baby plane.
At 38,000 feet, his canopy iced over completely. He had to fly on those.
I'm gonna find that thing. This is a flying car. That's the Concorde. Back on the bottom.
Where?
It's right there. He was 19 when he built this helicopter.
That looks scary to me.
Look at the car plane. That one's a big one.
Is that the plane for Adri?
Yeah? I love that plane. Look at mommy.
That's the mommy airplane. That's the baby airplane. Which one's this one over here?
Oh, that was a tiny one.
That's the tiny one?
That's a baby.
Baby, baby.
That's a very airplane.
They're a hootie airplane.
This guy skydives as fast as the speed of sound. I'm gonna try to pronounce his name. Felix Banjoe. That's why the Tampa flying. I'm super fast.
High five. All right.
We're getting McDonald's, and I'm getting fries, and I'm getting cheese. We got the food. Let's see the movie. Man, they close up early. It's Josh, but she's Josh. I got Frozen, like in the movie of Colorables and Frozen. That when he said, "Where is my suit?" Then he got there, and then upstairs. Michael, big world, let's travel it. I'm the Banjoe Traveler. Follow us on all adventures by subscribing to the channel. See you out there.